Alright, so hello to all the people, this is Shyamkumar Gadhiya, and in this video we're going to learn about Antarctica, and likewise we're going to cover the entire physical geography of Antarctica as well. Now, if we talk about its basic information about Antarctica, then its location, as we all know, it's in the southernmost portion of the world. You can see here the southern ocean and southern part of the globe. Now, it has 98% of ice, and to your exclamation, 90% of world ice is found in Antarctica itself. Now, Antarctica is driest and coldest continent, because of which it is known as cold desert, and it has the highest average elevation of the world. Now, do note this part that Antarctica is a continent, yes, and Arctic Circle is ocean in the North Pole. So do note this part that Antarctica is a continent and Arctic Circle is ocean in the North Pole. Now, if we talk about water bodies in this region, then there is River Onyx, which is the longest river in Antarctica. Now, one must have this question that earlier it has been told that Antarctica contains 98% of ice and 90% of ice is found in Antarctica itself. Then how come there can be a river? Now, rivers are found in subglacial form. Subglacial forms means a thick layer of ice is covered on the top of portion and underneath there is liquid water flowing. I hope you got me. Then there is Lake Vostok, which is the largest lake in Antarctica, and it is also in the subglacial form. Now, what is its importance? Scientists research in this region. अब research वो लोग किस तरीके से करते हैं? If they can find life form beneath ice sheets of Antarctica, then they can conclude that a similar setup is found in Moon Europa of Jupiter as well. So do note this part that Moon Europa of Jupiter and research center is present in Lake Vostok. Now, if we talk about sea, then there are three seas: Ross Sea, Amundsen Sea, Bellingshausen Sea. Now, what is its importance? Many endangered species that can be found in this region, for example, blue whale, penguin, etc. Then there are other seas in this region: Davis Sea, Porpoise Sea, as well as Weddell Sea. Now, if we talk about ocean, then there is one ocean, which is Southern Ocean, that surrounds the entire continent of Antarctica. Now, if we talk about mountain ranges and peaks of Antarctica, first one is the Mount Elbrus, also known as Ross Island, and it is near to Ross Sea. अब इसका importance क्या है? It is the southernmost active volcano of the world. Do note this part. Then there are also trans-Antarctic mountains. It is most important mountain range in Antarctica because it divides Antarctica in two parts: West Antarctica as well as East Antarctica. Now, West Antarctica are also known as Lesser Antarctica, while East Antarctica are known as Greater Antarctica. Most research are being done in this region. अब इसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है? आज की तारीख में ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज़ अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम. इफ इशू ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग राइजेस, then ice sheets may get collapse. As a result, sea water of the world will rise up. अब अगर पीक्स की हम लोग बात करें, then there is Mount Vinson Massif Peak, which is highest mountain peak in Antarctica that has height of 4,897 meters. अब अगर इंडिया के प्रेजेंस की बात करें तो इंडिया के रिसर्च सेंटर है तीन. सबसे पहला था दक्षिण गंगोत्री, बट वॉज अमेंडेड इन लेट 80s. देन कम्स Maitri, that was formed in 1989. But Bharti is very important for our UPSC exam, since back in 2015 new research center was established. It will perform oceanographic research to collect a continental breakup evidence between Antarctica and Indian Peninsula that held nearly 120 million years ago. Now, Indian Peninsula comes in this region and Bharti station is in this part in the East Antarctica. It is entirely funded by National Research for Antarctic and Ocean Research under Ministry of Earth Sciences. और यहाँ साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च क्या करते हैं? biological sciences, earth sciences, medical sciences, as well as chemical sciences. Now, if we talk about issues of this region, then there are few of them. First one is about the climate change, or we can say the global warming, जिसके चलते दो इश्यूज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सबसे पहला है वार्मिंग इन द सी. अब अगर सी गर्म होता है देन सी लेवल विल राइज अप. और दूसरा है ओशन एसिडिफिकेशन विच एब्जॉर्ब्स मोर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम एटमॉस्फेयर ड्यू टू कार्बन एमिशन. अब इसके चलते मरीन स्नेल्स का लॉस हो सकता है. एंड डू नोट दिस पार्ट दैट स्नेल्स हैव सिग्निफिकेंस पार्ट इन ओशनिक रीजन. Then there comes the issue of a penguin, which is the most important species in this region, and impact on breeding population and cycle of penguin can be rise. Then comes the legal and illegal fishing issue. Although यहाँ पर इस रीजन में फिशिंग और इलीगल फिशिंग का इशू इतना बड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन आगे जाके ये हो सकता है. आज की तारीख में ये इतना ज़्यादा पॉपुलर इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि vessels and tools are not so developed to fishing in this region, but it may develop in near future, जिसके चलते it may leads to ecological disturbance in this region. Now if we talk about the invasive species, then migrated species lay an impact in pushing out native species. For example, exploration raids lay huge impact in native bird species. ये यूएसए में हुआ था. अब अगर हम लोग ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन की बात करें, then it is the major environmental issue which impacts the environment of the entire region. Now if we talk about exploration and exploitation of mineral research, then it is not so important issue since 1959, क्योंकि उस वक्त एक एंटार्क्टिक ट्रीटी साइन की गई थी. And 1959 Antarctic Treaty prohibits military activities, mineral mines, nuclear explosion, as well as nuclear waste disposal in this region. Rather, member nations should collaborate with each other for scientific research to protect ecozone of this region. Now remember this fact that India is member of Antarctic Treaty, and in 2048 Antarctic Treaty will be over. Then it will be reviewed and renewed again, but have huge concerns that how it will be renewed. So that's it for this video. अगर इस लेक्चर की पीडीएफ चाहते हैं देन ज्वाइन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल, जहाँ पर मैं माइंड मैप्स में पीडीएफ अपलोड करूँगा. एंड फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स फिजिकल वर्ल्ड मैप की वीडियोस आएगी. एंड यस, कमेंट सेक्शन में ये भी बताओ कि आप कौन से टॉपिक्स के ऊपर वीडियो चाहते हैं. स्पोकन इंग्लिश, आर्ट एंड कल्चर, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, एनवायरनमेंट, हिस्ट्री और एनी अदर, उस पर मैं वीडियो सीरीज अपलोड करूँगा. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल इफ़ यू लव सच टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट. My all videos will be full of fun and light-hearted for UPSC aspirants as well as general knowledge enthusiasts. You can even dislike my video and share your views in the comment section below. And yeah, we're gonna come up with more of such content. And yes, we'll see you soon in no time. Until then, keep growing.